how to buy aixbt token or aixbt token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going to buy this token, make sure to check the risk account. Now this token, as you can see, it's available on Dick Screener here. This token, it's viral right now in Dick Screener. As you can see, it's increased by 400 million% in the last 24 hours. Imagine that, guys. Now, as you can see, that the market cap is 800 million and the volume is 4 million. As you can see, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. Now, to be able to buy this token, just copy the token address from here, and remember this token as is under the Solana network. Now open your funds wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. Now, so that's what you need to do. Click on your token. Now here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and as you can see, this is how much you receive. After that, select the provider for here, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of this information here and click on swap. After that, you will be able to read access to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. If you face any issues, just go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here or custom it. Now, after that, what you need to do, just go and buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy XBT or aixbt token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.